Welcome to Legit Pay Online. If you are a beginner or you are new on my channel, please turn up the notification bell for more updates like this and how to make money online. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Also join our Telegram channel for more updates about airdrop and how to make money online. Without wasting much of our time, let's click on Daily Combo. Our first card for today is under market. So let's go under market. Our first card is Web3 integration. Yeah, that's our first card for today. So that's it. So let's click on it. We've opened our first card for today. So our second card for today is under Web3. So let's click on Web3. Under Web3, let's click on Oracle. That's the second one. So we've unlocked our second card for today. That's our second card for today. So our third card for today is under specials. So let's click on specials and let's go to new card. The name for our third card is Telegram Top Ever. So let's click on it. Let's go ahead. So we've unlocked the third card. So now we can take the price for today. That's our two king coins for today price. If you find this video so helpful for you, please don't forget to join our Telegram channel for more updates like this. Like, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell for more updates. And anytime we drop any amazing video, you'll be the first person to notify. Thank you for watching the video from the beginning to the end. Remember that Allah Yomade loves you. Stay blessed and God bless. Peace.